Hello, my friends. David Dom here. I am the founder of Omni AI Systems and Consulting. We build custom AI systems and we consult with businesses. And Henry Bell asked me to come and speak to the new members at their new member orientation about a very specific topic, and it was about the enhanced listing part of the chamber membership. And he asked me this because when we became a member of the chamber, I noticed that most of the members were not actually taking advantage of a real unique opportunity, and that is to be found more and to be found on the Google searches and on the website, the chamber directory, etc. All right, so let's explore. We're going to explore the secret formula, getting the most bang for your buck with your membership, and some examples, and then I have some free stuff that I'll share with you. So here's the thing. The number one thing really is in the secret formula when you're talking about online is visibility. You need to be found. You need to be found and you need to be seen. If you can't be found and seen, then the rest of the secret formula doesn't really work. So I'll show you the rest of it at the end. All right, so here's a gold nugget. Again, listen, I've been building things online since AOL, for many, many years. And so I've seen a lot of changes, but this is what we call a golden nugget. There's even a name for it, an acronym in the marketing world called NAP. Simply name, address, phone number. These things need to be consistent throughout the internet. Every place that you're listed, your business is listed, should be exactly the same, because the online world is indexed because of data and content. And if there are discrepancies in your NAP across all directories and listings, it will confuse people. More importantly, not people, more importantly, the algorithm and the machines that are actually putting all this together and making sure you show up. So when we're talking about the Tyler Area Chamber of Commerce Enhanced Membership, a lot of people don't know this, but once you get your membership, it's cool to have the sticker to put in the window and all that and have the credibility, I'm a member. But what's very interesting is that people don't even know that you can add images, videos, links. You can connect all of your socials. And why would you want to do that? So that when people find you, they're provided with more information than just a business card online, right? Because really, that kind of played out in 1990, right? Websites need to be more, everything needs to be more. People want the stuff fast, but if you can give people more information about you when they find you, the chances are you're going to have a better option of getting that business, better chance of getting the business. So maximizing your Tyler Area Chamber of Commerce membership. The website, the chamber website, is already getting indexed by Google. It's a huge built-in benefit. So you can be indexed by Google without paying for SEO services. Being indexed simply means that you show up, okay? I'm going to break it down in simple terms. SEO services is search engine optimization services, which you could actually pay thousands of dollars. You could pay $1,000 a month, really easy, for somebody to do your SEO for you on your website only. Just on your website. But by piggybacking on the chamber's long-standing status, you could potentially show up right away without paying for that service. Here's a few examples. Now, I did pull these examples at the end of last year because we did a workshop that sold out with the chamber, and that's what these are from. But they show what I need to show you. So if you type in Architects, Tyler, Texas, for example, okay? Google's charging at the point when this was done, when I screenshotted this, was $2.10 per time. It's a per click. If you paid for that, it cost you $2.10 every time somebody clicked on it. Now, on this first page of Google, though, the Tyler Area Chamber of Commerce shows up. Architects category, right? So if you're in that category, you're going to be found potentially right away. I just put in AI chatbots, Tyler, Texas. Okay, so this is this actually is about our lunch and learn that we did, the one that I mentioned, the workshop, and it was even showing up on page 1 when someone typed in AI chatbots, Tyler, Texas. Tyler Business Directory. You just type that in Google. On page 1, you're going to find the Tyler Area Chamber of Commerce. Okay. Now, inside the directory, when people type in a word, like in this case, it was Botox, there are probably more med spas than just 2 med spas, right, in Tyler that are chamber members. But these are the only 2 that were showing up. And I'll tell you why. It's because they're the only 2 that had the words Botox in their listing or business name. Okay. This is a client of mine, and if someone goes in the directory and they search for things like they normally do, you want to be found. Chiropractor, same thing. There's probably more than 8 chiropractors that are members of the chamber in the Tyler area and surrounding areas, but there's only 8 showing up. This is a client of mine, and we showed up just because this is a client of mine, and I'm sure it's pulling information from here too. I'm just saying, chiropractic, you got to get this stuff in there. So you want to enhance your listings. Chiropractor. Okay, so there's 8. And we're showing up because, again, that's my client. So anyway, somehow that word is in there. You can have, this little man's ours, by the way. You can have a banner. You can have the information. But then also, this is the part that people are missing. You can put a video in that talks about, shows people what you do and how you do it. You can even include links here to other things like booking an appointment and an image gallery as well. So we have an image gallery down there. We have a link to like 5 different things. We have a video that talks about what we do and how we do it. So yeah, it's much better. And then also you get priority placement. So if you have an enhanced listing package, you're going to show up first in this list inside the directory for what people are searching for as well. So keep that in mind. All right. Now I have a gift for you. It's a free gift. No strings. I'm not gatekeeping. You don't even have to put in your name. But if you text the letters AI to 903-623-1695, I'm going to create, I basically put together a workbook, and I'm going to send it to you, no charge. Have you noticed, because here's what's happening. Have you noticed that when you search on Google these days, the AI search results are showing up before the Google results even? That's what's happening. So I found out kind of what's going on there, how to actually get in on that, how to make some changes to your website and things to get you found in the search results on these LLMs, as they're called, large language models, which are voice, I mean, there's all kinds of services, but the point is these guys are like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity. Those type services are what people are starting to search for. They're using those instead, but even if they use Google, some of those results are showing up right at the top of Google now. So I wanted to give you that. There's no charge, and yeah, we're good to go. That's really all I have. So let me share the rest of the formula with you, right? So online, you want to be visible so people can find you. You want to be attractive. When they do find you, they find you attractive. Your website, obviously. This is not a dating site. Accessible. How many easy ways can someone get in contact with you or access you and your business and your services? And you want to be responsive. So you want to always ask, how quickly can I get back to somebody that reaches out to me? So, all right. I hope you appreciated that, guys, and found some value out of it. I wanted to share it with you. Enhance your listings. Go for the enhanced package. Most people don't have it.